Hi and welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here today with a Yoga for Knitters video all about how you can fix knitting mistakes. Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here with Knitting Natter to help you learn to knit the easy way. What has yoga got to do with fixing mistakes? Well, quite a lot actually. You'll be surprised at how much yoga can help you when you come across this really frustrating part of your knitting. You realise you've gone wrong and you need to fix it right away. Let's get to it, because you've come across something in your knitting, everything's gone wrong, how can you fix it? Now, before you start rummaging through Google, trying to work out what you've done wrong, looking at your knitting and screaming and tearing your hair out, maybe even tearing out many rows of knitting, let's do one thing. And that is to just stand up, because you probably have been sitting while you're knitting, so changing your body position will actually really help. Put your knitting down carefully and stand up. Okay, so your feet are going to be about hip width apart. That's it. Now, can you feel your feet? That's a big part of this too, because if you've got all this worry and anxiety up in your head, you actually need to move the feeling, the worry and the anxiety needs to kind of like fall through your body. Can you feel that? Just kind of feel your feet, wiggle your toes a bit. There they go, that's better. Okay, now, you can't see much of my body at the moment because of where I stand when I'm filming, and there isn't that much space around me, but you can do this. You can put your hand on your heart, up here in the upper chest. If you're anxious, sometimes your breath seems to feel like it's all up here, all up in the upper chest. So you're now going to put your second hand on your belly and just sit there and feel your breath. Where is it? Nothing wrong. You don't have to worry because it's in one place rather than the other. You're just going to breathe it and you're going to slow your breath down. So you're going to feel it. You're going to say in, 2, 3, 4, pause, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, pause, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, pause, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just those 3 breaths make a difference. They kind of bring you back to your body. Continue breathing slowly, whether your breath is still in your upper chest, whether it's in your ribs, if you can feel it in your belly. Nothing's wrong, nothing's right, it just is. So now, and I'm just going to create a bit of release around my head, because yes, there's the anxiety in my head. I'm just going to gently roll my neck. Don't force it. Very gentle movements. Round and round. To the back. And to the front, to the back, and I actually still have my hands on my belly. You can let them fall by your sides if you like, just wiggle your hands, just do this with your fingertips, and keep rolling your head but going the other direction now, to the front, and to the back, and to the front, and to the back. Front and to the back. Okay, that's a bit of a release, isn't it? Now, we've already activated the fingers a bit more, just kind of giving them a break, because they can be really tense if something goes wrong with your knitting. You can feel the tension kind of melting away from your head already. I bet you can, because you're feeling your feet still on the ground, you're feeling your fingers, you're feeling your breath. So let's just roll your shoulders back now, up and back. Up and back. That's the other part of your body that can get tense when you're knitting, because if you're sitting down, you may be leaning over. Up with your in-breath and back with your exhale. Inhale and exhale. nice and slowly. Inhale and exhale. There you go. And feel your breath. Now I'm going to suggest one more thing for you, and that is to go and have a glass of water and even go for a walk. Just 5 minutes, if that's up the road and down again. If it's around your house, maybe you need to go and fold some laundry, or go and stand in the kitchen and put some dishes away. Something like that, to just take your mind off of knitting. You can come back to it with a fresh mind, with a fresh perspective, and kind of feel a release. You'll say, okay, that's fine. I've taken 5 minutes, 5 minutes break, and now I can go back to my knitting and yeah, sort it out. You can look at it and you can go, what's gone wrong? If you want to, you can take a photograph of it if you're in my membership, and share it in the membership Facebook group, because then I can have a look at it and say, what have you done wrong? And we can work it out together. Go and have a look by all means at the Fixing Mistakes Tips and Tricks playlist that I have on my YouTube channel, and just you will have a much better perspective when you go back and look at your knitting now. Okay, hope that was helpful for you. Yes, I do have a Yoga for Knitters playlist, so you can subscribe, you can go and find that on my YouTube channel. If you subscribe, hit the little red button and click on the bell as well. You'll be notified when any new videos appear. I will be giving you more yoga videos in the future, and if you like this one, then give me a thumbs up too. Great, I will see you again soon for more knitting videos. Bye for now, happy knitting. Let's fix those mistakes together.